Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty from xking.com. Hit you with another video. In today's video, we're doing Acorns review. I've been using Acorns for about 3 weeks now, and these are my results so far. Do I recommend this to anybody who wants to, make a little extra money, who wants to save some money and get invested in stocks? This is my review of that. So let's go to invest in your future. I thought a Roth IRA as well. That mine hasn't gone through my account yet. So my core, this is what you get with $1 a month. You got to pay $1 a month to run Acorns, which is it's easy money. And my portfolio is mildly aggressive. I'm gonna show you this. I think mildly aggressive is pretty good. I'm getting money. I get a couple cents here and there every day. So I like the profile. I like more large stocks, but it's a little bit of everything. Real estate stocks. So I have roundups on as well. Plus $1.38 my account, so that's better than the savings account. The last 7 days. Now I've only invested $50 my own money, so $60.35 came from roundups, and I love the roundups on this thing. So I love that the roundups. It's on this app, man, because this app, I call this the Tesla of investing, because it's pretty much on autopilot. You really just set it up and forget it. I mean, I love the fact that I don't have to watch stocks all day. I mean, this is the first time this is my second time being on the app today, and yeah, I just love it. I threw in $50, $60 from roundups that I didn't see that much on my account. I got 2 cents from dividends already, which ain't nothing, but they reinvest that for me. So it's a autopilot type of business here. And I'm all about making money online and making passive income, and this is the best way to get into stocks and bonds, stuff like that, on autopilot. This is strictly autopilot. All thing you gotta do is here is just put money in account and look at your stats, and that's it, and you on to the next thing. Invested total, you could put one-time investments. I don't have the multiplier on. You can do 2, 3, or 10 times if you want to. I don't have none of those on. I like how it's set up now because 3 weeks I have $60 invested, so I'm cool with that. I have 99 roundups already, and then I don't buy a lot of stuff during the week. I buy gas and I buy groceries, and me and wife go get groceries together, and we'll get gas, and we might go eat every once in a blue moon. Not blue moon, but every once in a while go out to eat. So I don't spend a lot of money. But also with this, when you pay your bills online, let's say your bill's $100, and you say your phone bill's $100, and you send them $100 online with any card linked, or it doesn't matter if you pay bills online. Let's say you pay Sprint with your debit card, or anything you use a debit card with, you still get roundups. So you might not buy a lot of stuff during the week, but when you pay your bills, it still rounds up to the next dollar. So if your bill's $100, you send $100 to your phone. Acorns will take $1, round to $1 if you one-on-one, and it will take $1 out and put it in your Acorns account. So you see the Brinks Home Security, I just paid, and that's an automatic payment to come in my account. So it's automatic. I'm gonna get 75 cents in there. So not only when you spend your car buying gas and food and go out to eat, but when you pay your bills online with the card you have linked to Acorns, it still gets rounded up. I like that because if my bill's $100 and Acorns took $1, did it really bother me? No, it didn't. So I like that. I'm gonna show you found money. Well, found money. I'm gonna do a video about that. How do you really take advantage of that? But so far in let's see, core. I'm trying to find out found money. So you see what I spend and found money. Let's see, view details. Well, this is you go on a plane cruise or plane next trip. Use the Acorns app. You get money back from there as well. I'm trying to find that Here we go. Found money. So I got $5.38 from Found Money, And I got this. No, I don't use Sand Club. I use Groupon for that. I use Groupon for this, and Groupon also a great app to download if you want to get discounts on food and whatever. Use Groupon, but use the Groupons through the Acorns app. So go to the Acorns app, go to the Groupons tab, tap Shop Now, and then go to the Groupons from there, and you get cash back into your account. I'm gonna show you the Chevron as well as a really good one. Go to Chevron and get gas anyway. If you spend $15, still put 25 cents in your account, which is not a lot of money, but I use cash back apps for gas, so this is just a extra bonus for me. But so far I got $5.38 from Found Money, and I bought some things from Groupons that I'm telling you about. I got my Sand Club membership through Groupon, which is $10 off, and I got cash back on another app, and plus I got money invested off my Acorns account. So that's how you gotta trick it up nowadays. So yeah, let's go to performance details. And so far it's been going pretty well. My screen is actually sensitive, but plus $1.38 I've made, which is decent. So here's the total loss and gains. Hit my roundups transferring. I'm getting another dividend, 5 cents from large stocks. I'm getting now 3 cents from small stocks. So I'm getting, this is autopilot. And I have the Acorns later. I'm transferring $25 right now. But I say get the Acorns app. It's the Tesla of investing. There's nothing for you to do. Just shop using Groupons or use the other other stores they have. Use your roundups. Half my money's from roundups. When you're paying your bills, you use the roundups. When you use your gas or buying groceries or buying to eat, you use some roundups. Go ahead, use this app. You gotta put no money into it. Use it as a savings account. This is a high interest savings account for me, and I'm getting money. Look, 3 cents, 5 cents. It adds up. 4 cents today from real estate stocks. So, and they'll reinvest the money for you. So, $1 a month. Yeah, it's worth $1 a month because the roundups. So, and get your Roth IRA account as well through here, and to set up, $5, $10. Until you get paid $5-10 go in the account, and that's it. That's all you have to do with Acorns. I love Acorns. It's one of my best apps to use. I love it. I love it very much. And if you use my referral code, no, that ain't working. If you use my referral code, I'll get $5 and you will get $5. Okay, so you get free $5 in your account. Use Groupons, do this, get gas from Chevron, and you can use roundups. You start adding money to this account without even trying. So that's it for this video. Just a quick recap. If you want to get Acorns and you get $5 for free, and I get $5 for doing the video to give you some insight on it, please use my link below. I have the referral code. And thanks for watching my video. Appreciate you listening to my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.